Hi, my name is Shekar Mantha, and I'm going to talk about bottomless backlog in the context of Agile software development. This video is part of a series called Practical Agile or How to Practice Agile. Today I will talk about the nature of backlog, product backlog, that is not sprint backlog, and why it should be bottomless or ever growing. I know this is a counterintuitive idea. After all, you will say, I want to finish the product, deliver it, and move on to bigger and better things. But this notion of finishing the product is misconstrued or misunderstood. Imagine for a moment you wrote a technical article or a subject that you are somewhat of an expert and showed it to a few of your friends and colleagues. Then imagine no one commented on it, asked you questions, or requested more information. What would you say to that reaction? Would you say that the article was well received? Would you say that they will recommend this article to others? Or would you even know if they have actually read it? Obviously, you don't know the answers to these questions, but more than likely, most of them did not read the article or did not, and even the ones who read it did not think highly of it. So the same is true for software. There is no way one person or a team can anticipate or know the needs of hundreds, thousands, or millions of users unless you actually ask them and show it to them, and they give you that feedback. So this is the reason why you want the backlog to be ever growing or bottomless. So as an agile practitioner, you want your backlog to grow always. Most successful products have this attribute. Their work is never done. If you see your backlog is not growing, there are only two possibilities. Either the user base is entirely happy with your software, which is unlikely, or they are not using your software. More than likely, that's what's going on. A happy user base is by definition is slightly dissatisfied, has opinions about your software, and is willing to share those opinions with you. Further, a growing user base will demand more things. And finally, given the rapid pace of software technology, software technologies that we use to build our software, there are always opportunities to optimize, enhance the software, and make things better, basically. So watch your backlog and make sure it is growing healthily as you deliver more and more value to your user base. Now, this does raise an important question, and the question is, if my backlog keeps growing, which of those features, stories, bug fixes do I implement first? How do I prioritize my sprint backlog, in other words? And that is the topic of another video which I'm going to make in a few days. So watch your backlog. That's the message of this video. Watch your backlog, make sure it's growing healthily. So thank you for watching. And as a true Agile practitioner, I would love your feedback. And I also want to thank you for all the likes and the sharing of the video, the feedback that you have given me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.